Big T-TV. In the process of getting my liner done for my pool. I moved in. The liner gave me like one good season and then it started messing up, but got frogs living in my pool.
Dude, what the fuck is that?
Ribbit. See if I could get them to move. One moved, the other stood there. I can't get him to move. You'll definitely get when the new liner is in. They actually go and pay for it this week. It was sized and everything. Now I have to go and pay for it, and I'll reveal when I have the new liner and the pool is
Open the
open
damn
again.
pool, my friend.
Big T-TV signing out. Ribbit. I gotta get him to move out. It's just bothering me. Some sort of action. This one won't move.
Istram pindah tuh.
Let's see. I can't get him to move. Let's see what I can do. I want to get him to hop at least. I don't think he knows how to move.
Woo!
Let's see. Still can't get him to move. I think I hit him with a rock. Not trying to harm the animal, or the amphibian in this case.
I didn't hit him with a rock.
Just want him to get in the water. It's hot. He still won't move. I got the water moving and everything. Yeah, I can't get him to move.
Pause, ha 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 ha, no diddy.
Still in that same position. Come back for the big T-TV and I'm back. He's still there. He moved a little bit,
Great adventure.
but not too far. Try to see if I could get him to move and then swim. Alright, this'll work. We'll see it jump. Promise this time. Alright, I'm focused. There's two of them. There's two.
Duh.
One there.
That
I knew it
escaped
was
my
two of
ninja.
them, but I didn't see this other one just now. And that one. This one looks a little different though. Hold on. Get my camera right. I can't get it right. I'm all
He
over the
jumped
place
my
with
ninja.
this. One jumped and I messed up. Here we go. There's the other one. That one looks like it's ready to jump. This one's like camouflage and it's hard for me to get it in the camera. Here we go.
Yeah, we seen that.
Ah,
My ninja, that was
Did y'all
dope.
see that? Oh no. I'm gonna be mad if you didn't see it. I'll check and see. Alright, Big T TV signing out till next time.